Well, we didn't get to finish yesterday's video when we went and got the Christmas tree. We'll show you what we got and, of course, how it's going to look before and after. But today, we're under a winter storm warning. Yes, up to at least a foot of snow, they say, is possible for us here in Northwest Indiana. And, of course, we're out driving in it. The worst isn't here yet. This is nothing. Trust me, nothing yet. We got to make a couple of stops over in another town, and then we're coming home for the rest of the day. So why don't you join us, won't you? And we'll keep you updated on the winter storm warning. Whoa, whoa, whoa. This is the visibility right now. It is 10:30. And like I said before, this isn't bad. Roads are snow covered, but NDOT has been out and doing a great job so far that we can tell. So let's just keep going. Well, we made it to our location. We're Christmas shopping. Look at Debbie. She's excited. She's got her sunglasses on so that the kids, in case they see her, they won't recognize her.
That's right.
She's such a superstar around here.
That's right.
So anyway, seriously, we got to go get a couple of things. So that's why we're out here. And then we'll be making our way back. But before we leave here, see the cooling tower over there? I don't know how well that's coming through. We're going to go by that here in a little bit. Okay, as I about slipped and fell on the sidewalk. Well, it was going to be just a 5, maybe 10-minute stop, turned into 25. But I guess we're shopping for Christmas, so there you go. We're at the outlet mall. Ralph Lauren, Polo, Samsonite luggage. Want to go on a trip?
Yes.
Where it's warmer?
Yes.
And not snowing? All right. Let's get back to the Vader Mobile and go from there. Lakefront, Michigan City. Out there, believe it or not, is Lake Michigan. This is a road that I'm standing here. See that? All covered with sand. You can't drive, well, I guess you can drive down here. Some people have done that, it looks like. But yeah, this is an actual road that you drive around from the parking lot. So I'm gonna walk up here. There's the beach area. Out there is the lighthouse. On a good day, you can usually see Chicago out here. No way that's happening to Skyline when I say that. No way is that happening today. Again, this is just before the storm is supposed to be coming in. So, not visibility, not very good heading out into Lake Michigan today. But there are people that are actually walking the lake shore this morning, I see. So, good for them, because it wouldn't be me. No way. All right, let's continue our adventure on this winter storm warning day in Northwest Indiana. Made it home. This is what it looks like right now in the neighborhood. A little snow. Grass is finally covering up, I will say that. So anyway, let's keep an eye on this winter storm warning. The tree. The one we went shopping for. Not decorated, just in a tree stand. And now we got to change things around and decorate the tree. What will it look like? Let's find out. And there it is. Our little Christmas tree. Yes, for 2025. Here we go. Also, the stockings are hung. Also, there's our little Mickey village that Debbie puts together every year. All lit up. How I wish I was at Mickey's village. in Florida. Looking out the back door of our house, as you can see, it's windy, the snow is blowing. Not sure how many inches we've got so far, but it is 10 minutes after 3 local time, and reading from the state police, they are saying that they have been informed to be ready starting about 10 minutes ago in many locations around us, an inch an hour for the next few hours. So we'll see what happens. All right, my friends, 5 p.m. local time, about 4 inches maybe. I mean, it's still coming down, but it's not what I expected, you know, an inch an hour, because it's not heavy at all, by all means, right now. Doesn't mean that it's over, because this winter storm warning stays in effect until 7 p.m. Eastern time on Sunday. So 26 hours to go. Yeah, so I thought I'd come out. Oh, wind's blowing in my face now. And take a look at what we got. Our lights are lit. See our pretty lights on for Christmas? Yes. But anyway, this is what we've got. Can't see the sidewalk anymore, and that's because of the drifting more than anything at this point. Wind blowing, but all right. So, there's our rest of our lights there. But I had to come out. I thought about getting a snowblower out. I think I'm going to wait until tomorrow morning, Sunday morning. As I was saying, I think I'm going to wait until Sunday morning to use the snowblower, as they are saying that we'll have some downtime, about an hour or two at some point. So we'll take care of it then. And this is what I woke up to. Still snowing. My neighbor over here has got his driveway done. I'm just getting ready to start on mine. It is what, 10 till 8 Sunday morning. My neighbor over there got his done as far as shoveling, snow blowing, whatever, and now my turn. So here we go. And by the way, last night it didn't seem like it was wet and heavy. Today, no doubt about it, during the overnight hours, it definitely turned on us. And we got more coming, this time lake effect. We'll talk about that later. All right, so remember last time I was on, I said we got lake effect coming. And look at this, 30 minutes later. Remember that was all clean? 30 minutes ago, you could see the pavement. This is lake effect. This is coming down pretty good right now. Oh yeah. Again, welcome to Northwest Indiana. Anything's possible, I swear it is, around here. Yeah, it's coming down pretty good pace. Go take a look at the radar. Let's see where the band is off of the Lake Michigan. There's the radar. And we're not in the heaviest yet. Close to it, but we're not in the heaviest part. The darker shade is the heaviest stuff coming off of the lake. The purple, if I'm not mistaken, I better not say, because I'm really not sure if that's a mix of rain and snow off Lake Michigan. But right now, that's what we're showing. Got to admit, it's been a few hours since the last time. Probably got about another 3 inches here. And a little drifting. And I've got to undo Santa here. He's buried over here. Mickey is too, because again, more heavy snow and wet. Not sure. We're supposed to be going to the Santa parade, but I don't know if we'll make that or not. That's a present under there. As you can see, everything's buried. Boy, is it buried. Santa is not doing very well right now. See if we can get him to pop up here. There he goes. All right. Everything else looks pretty good, but you can see Lake effect is still happening. It's been on and off this afternoon, but now it's really coming down here around 4 o'clock in the afternoon. There we go. Okay, we got Santa. Now I'm gonna turn around and try to walk my old footprints without falling and try to get Mickey going here. Mickey's in bad shape. There we go. Shake Mickey. All right. Okay. Now, get out of this mess. I guess I should have put my Carhartts on. Man. Yeah, I would say we've got a good 2 to 3 inches. And like I said, it's really coming down now. Man. Oh, somebody's out hunting deer season. I can say that these are bigger flakes than what we saw yesterday, for sure. Wow. And last night, it was real fine type snow last night. This is definitely bigger flakes. And coming right off of Lake Michigan. All right, snow's let up enough to go and watch a parade. So that's what we're going to do. We're going to watch a parade, gang. Come on. Let's see what's happening. Okay, Rudolph riding in the back of the truck. Interesting. Thought he was supposed to be leading Santa's sleigh. Of course, we have the Grinch out there. I see across the street here. And we got some floats coming up. Yes, we do, kids. Let's see what we have coming this way. Oh, we have a shark. Yes. Snow is definitely let up now from the band, lake effect band that we had when we left, but the roads are horrendous. The next one we have is from Cable and Ace Hardware, who, by the way, I might add, just sold out. And they've been bought out, as a matter of fact. Forget the company name, but yes, I don't know if it's going to stay Cablin's or not. We'll have to wait and see down the road. Up next, it's a bus with eyes. It's pretty cool. I'm going to say maybe the Grinch bus. That could be. Okay. Not sure how many units are in the parade. Usually it takes about 15-20 minutes at the most, but give them credit to be able to continue to run this today after the snowstorm. And like I said, the winter storm warning is supposed to end right now, as I look at, probably within the next half hour, unless they would extend it. Depends on that band off of Lake Michigan. We'll have to wait and see. Wait and see. Right now, just a couple of flurries. Nothing like we saw earlier. I like that. Looking around, you can see people around here. Downtown. We're at toward the end of the parade. Well, not toward. We are at the end of the parade. So goes down to Main Street here in New Carlisle. So that's pretty cool. We got some Santa here, or Santa, a snowman with a Christmas tree. Not sure who's in charge of this. No signage yet, but you never know. Maybe we'll see it after they pass us. Very nice float, though. I like the ornaments on there. Next up, from LifeWise Academy, brand new in our area. allows kids to, during school days, to go to class at local churches. And that's what LifeWise Academy is. That's their float right there.
Merry Christmas.
Okay, here we go. Up next. Oh, look at this. We've got the flying reindeer in the back of the truck on the trailer there. Christmas trees. Very nice. This is a nice one. I like this one. Very nice. That's a good one. Good display. Good float. There's a word I'm looking for. Float. And this is from, the new Carlisle Animal Clinic. Very cool. Nice. All right, now we got a four-wheeler with Grinch, with the Grinch, excuse me, coming up here. The blow-up Grinch.
GST.
Up next, Merry Christmas from I Can't Read It. Oh, hate when that happens. But there we go. And we'll get this for. There you go, bud. And look, it's a dancing present coming our way, waddling our way. Yay! I got a present I need to open. Yes, Debbie.
The adults, would you like this candy?
Okay, here we go. Got us the Bronco.
You want one? Here you go. There you go.
So, do they have a parade like this in Fairbanks, Alaska? I wonder. Or how about North Pole? I bet they've got to have, Debbie, wouldn't they have one in North Pole, Alaska, you would think?
Yes.
Yeah, I would think so too. Okay, here we go. Got more. Big tractor coming up in the back there. Big tractor. There we go. All right, my friends, it's another tractor. Well, really the first tractor, but I think we got a second one way back there too. It's coming down the parade route here. Oh, yes. Not sure what's on the back on the trailer here. We'll find out, hopefully. There'll be sign. Oh, there is signage. Let's find out here. See what they have. It's a farm. We'll see here. All right, Merry Christmas. You pronounce the last name. Because I can't there. But it's a couple of farms here. Jeswin Farms and Kleine Farms, I'm going to say. Okay, very cool. And then we've got a pickup truck here. And another trailer with
Kids won't need dinner now.
somebody in the back. Ooh, snow's picking up again. Let's see. This looks like maybe from the FFA, Future Farmers Association of America, New Prairies Club. Okay, very cool. From the New Prairie United School Corporation. Okay. After that, Karis Reels is coming up next with a float. Let's see here. Yep, Karis Reels. I was right. There we go. Very nice. Creative. Gotta give him credit.
Yeah, Josh. Woo!
Hey, Josh!
Studebaker. Studebaker Brewing Company. Okay. Nice. Very nice. Oh, I believe I see Santa way in the back coming our way. Yes. Well, looks like the Grinch is driving the golf cart here. Okay. Yes, it is the Grinch. Whew.
Oh my goodness. I love it. Hey, Cindy Lou. Jamie.
Don't mind me, I just dropped my camera. And Santa has stopped, but he's back there. There he is. I don't know why Santa, is he getting off? What's happening with Santa Claus? He is, I think he's getting off. Got home after the parade and look, Debbie plowed the whole driveway in the back 40 for me. That was so nice of her. Actually, it was a team effort. I'll tell you what, you guys, it's heavy, wet, and to the point that even my snowblower couldn't push it anymore. But at least it's clear for the night. Now, I can't make any promises by the time we wake up in the morning on Monday morning of what's going to happen, but we'll see. But right there is to give you an idea of what we've gotten as far as snow accumulation so far. So yeah, have to get the take a look at the stick tomorrow and see what we've got. Our county highway department is yet to make even a pass through here today, and I know they're busy. I get it. So hopefully tomorrow they'll do it. We just finished our neighbors too, and did their driveway as well to help them out. All right. With that being said, I guess we'll see if we get any more snow. Right now, there's the moon. Got partly cloudy skies out, so we'll see what happens if lake effect hits anymore or not. Well, as you can see, the snowstorm came and gone. Left all the snow for us, as you see out there, piled up everybody's place, including mine. But I will admit, the bitter cold has entered. Yes, right now, as a matter of fact. That's not bitter cold, the wind's making it, but we've got 25 degrees, wind chill right now at 10 above. Yes, winter in Northwest Indiana. That's going to do it. I appreciate you guys going along with me. And I guess, as I always say, until next time.